We had a complete destruction of the web. This morning he balled it all up and took it back into his home, which I watched, and is right in that little crevice. That's where he goes during the day. Percival the porch spider has reconstructed this entire magnificent web. Look at this. It's incredible. This is 2 feet wide, probably 3 feet tall. It's incredible. It's going line by line. Look at him go. One at a time. Notice how he sticks his abdomen out to connect the lines, his little spinnerets on the bottom. Wow. Amazing. Look at him go. See you in the morning.